Japanese. Yo, what's going on, guys? And you are here because you have forgotten your Japanese and you want to relearn Japanese again. And today we're going to be relearning Hiragana and Katakana, the two basic forms of Japanese writing. So Hiragana is used for people who don't understand, people who can't read kanji, like kids and stuff, and filthy foreigners. God damn. And katakana is used for exaggerations and onomatopoeias and words that are Western. So we're gonna go through this, and we're gonna start just by doing this quick. I want to do this quick because I don't want to make these videos too long, right? Maybe we'll make in depth on the patron. Okay, but anyway, let's start with a, I, u, e, o, kaki, kuke, ko, sashi, suse, so, tachi, chuche, cho, nani, nu, ne, no, hai, hu, he, ho, mami, mu, me, mo, yayu, yo, dariru, de, do, wa, o, and So everyone, go get a pencil. Go get it. I'll wait right here. Go get a pencil and a pen. That's gonna wait. You got your pencil and pen? Pencil, please. You need an eraser? Anyone need an eraser? You're good? You got a pencil? Pencil? Okay. Okay? Everyone got a pencil? All right. Okay. This is all live, so it's like I'm not... Okay. Here we go. So, everyone get your pencil, and we're going to write a, u, e, o. Okay? Here we go. So, let's write the first one. A. I. U. E. O. Okay, good job. You did it. Yeah. Okay. Let's do kaki kuke ko. Are you ready? 3, 2, 1, go. Ka. Ki. Oh my god. Sorry, Sensei screwed up. Ki. Ku. Ke. Ko. All right, good job. You did it. Wow. Okay. Sa, shi, su, se, so. Here we go. Ready? Sa. That was terrible. Hold on. Sensei's going to write it again. Sa. Because you want to have the little... Oh! Okay, hold on, guys. Eraser, please. Eraser, please. Okay, I got it. Okay, here we go. Ready? Sorry, pencil again. Sa. Shi. Su. Se. So. Okay. Remember, it doesn't have to be perfect. As long as man can read it. Unless you're doing shosha or whatever. Shasho. Whatever. Calligraphy class. Okay. Ready for tachi tsute to? Here we go, guys. Ready? Ta. 1, 2, 3, 4. Chi. 1, 2, 3. Tsu. 1, 2. Te. 1, 2. To. 1, 2. All right, you did it. Yay, good job. All right, time for nani nu ne no. Here we go. Na. 2, 3. Looks a little bit different. Ready? Ni. 1, 2, 3. Nu. 1, 2, 3. Terrible. Ne. 1, 2, 3. And no. No. Okay, here we go. Good job, you did it. All right. Time for hiragana. Here we go. Ha. Hi. Hu. 1, 2, 3. A little nose and a little tick, 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 ticks. He. And ho. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. The difference between this one is that this one doesn't have a second one. So make sure you get that there. Okay, mami mu me mo. Here we go. Ma. Mi. 1, 2, 3. Mami mu. Mu. Me. Mo. 1, 2, 3. Momo. Okay, cool. Ya yu yo. Here we go. Ya yu yo. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2. 1, 2. Good job. Da di do de do. Here we go. 1. Da. Di. Do. De. Do. Okay, be careful with these two. These two are slightly different. We ran out of space. Get a second sheet of paper, guys. Go get a second sheet of paper. Okay, we gotta go wa. And then there's a fun one. We don't actually use this anymore. It says we. So this is actually how you write we. It's really cool. We. We. We don't use we anymore either, which is really interesting. And then we also have o. So wo. You can actually read this as wo or type it as wo, and you can write it as o. It's actually pronounced o, but if you want to write it in the computer, you have to write wo. And then Easiest one. Yay! You did it. Yay! Okay. Now everyone get another piece of paper, get another pencil or whatever, and we're gonna do katakana now. We're gonna do the foreign words and stuff. This is actually harder than hiragana because we never actually use this that much, and God, I hate katakana. But here we go. We're gonna do it anyway. So again, a u e o, kakikuke ko, sashisuke so, tachichuche to, nani nuni no, ha yu he ho, mami mume mo, ya yu yo, dadudidero, wa, wo, Okay. Are you ready, guys? Here we go. Here we go. Get your pencil. Here we go. Ready. Ah. Ah. E. Ooh. 1, 2, 3. Oh, eh. Sorry. Eh. 1, 2. Oh. 1, 2, 3. All right. You did it. Okay. Here we go. Sashishuse so. Here we go. Sa. Shi. Okay. This one you want to go from the bottom and make it. Exaggerate this. Okay. Exaggerate it. Su. Se. Caesarea. You'll know that one. So, and exaggerate it. It almost looks like V, okay? You want to exaggerate it so you can tell the difference. Tachi tsu te to. Here we go. Ta. Chi. Tsu. This one goes up. Exaggerate it. Exaggerate it. You see the difference? You can see the difference if you exaggerate it. Te. To. Wow, that was easy. Okay, next. Nani nune no. Here we go. Na. Ni. This looks actually like the kanji ni. Nu. 1, 2. Ne. Sorry, my pencil's like running out of nib. And no. It's literally just a line. Okay. Ha hi hu he ho. Here we go. Ha. Hi. Hu. He. Looks exactly the same. Ho. You'll see this like Pokemon when you put the circle on it and stuff. Mami mume mo. Ma. This one is to the right. Wa ma ma. Mi. That's me. Mu. You'll see this a lot, like Hokago T Taimu. Let me make that nice. Me. This one you want to exaggerate as well. And mo. Looks almost like the other one, but it's a letter different. Pokemon. You'll see that a lot. Ya yu yo. 1. Ya. Oh my God. There's no curved lines in hiragana, katakana, guys. So let me just erase that. Sorry. Okay, here we go. Ya. Ya. You. Oh my God, how do you write you again? You. Yo. Gotta connect all that. Terrible. Okay. Actually, you know what? I gotta be a good sensei, guys. I gotta be a good sensei. We gotta erase that there. So let's go to yo. 1, 2, 3, 4. Ya, you, yo. Da, di, do, de, do. So da. Da, mene. Terrible. Terrible. Hold on. Da. Okay. Da. Di. Sorry, my nib on my pencil is like running out, so it's hard to write. Do. De. Oh my God. Sorry, it's the nib. Do. Okay, da di do de do. And we're going to write another one. Da di do de do. And wa. Has a little bit different wa. Oh, let's do this one. We want to go do we. Look at this we. Oh my God, I've never seen this in my life. We. We don't write this ever. We. We have we. That's cool, eh? That's some history lessons for you. We and o. You actually see this a lot in like manga. So like Kanao from Kimetsu no Yaiba for names. And So the difference between is this and so is this. So it's a big difference. Okay, so just practice writing it like that. And you'll know the difference between Same with she. She is from the bottom, tsu is from the top. She is from the bottom, tsu is from the top. N is from the bottom, so is from like this. So. Okay? It doesn't have to be perfect, guys. Man, we're filthy gaijin, so we don't have to write it perfectly. You'll get Nihongo Jozu either way. Okay, guys, that's it. We reviewed our things. And remember, you can always, for the palatalized sounds, you got to make sure you get the palatalized sounds as well. So, if you want to write the smaller words, so like mya, mu, myo, so why don't we go ahead and do that? So, like, for example, mya, mu, myo, let's see. So, let's see here. Let's see. Sha, like, for example, sha, you want to make it small, right? You're going to go, shu, you want to make it small. And I'm pretty sure, guys, you can do that. You can do that. It's not that big of a deal. Well, I'm gonna do some bonus ones, like trying to write like weird words, like fa, force field, and stuff like that. So how about fa? So if we write fa fu fe, fa fi fu fe fo, so fa, he, like actually fi, like fi, right? Hu, he, fo. Now, why if you're thinking like, oh, if it's just a Japanese accent, why don't you just write hosu field? So like force field, right? You'll see this a lot in games and like heavy lore stuff. So instead of writing hosu field, hosu field, which would be which would be like, you know, the Japanese way, but you know, Japan becomes English more and more every day. So it's force field. Force field. So it's like, so you're going to use this one. So force field. Okay? So that's basically what Japanese is becoming. So I'll put the link in the description down below of what pages you should read for Take Kim. So if you have the Take Kim book, the actual book, we've gone to page well, 16, page 16 to 23, okay? Page 16 to 23. That's going to be your homework, okay, guys? Page 16 to 23 in the Take Kim book. I'll put the links in the description below for those who don't have the actual physical copy. You could just go on the website. You're basically going to be reading Hiragana all the way to Katakana, okay? And then tomorrow or the next time we meet, we'll be doing a little bit of some basic kanji, probably, and then we're going to move on to grammar after that, okay? So page 16 to 23 is going to be your reading homework, okay? And practice writing your stuff out. For you beginners who are watching this, and for you guys who are intermediate and you've been here for a while, go practice your rotary. Go keep rote memory and keep writing it down, okay? That's going to be your homework for the intermediate guys. And just keep reading. For you advanced people, just keep reading manga or something like that, and just keep getting it mentally in your head and keep writing stuff down. Anyway, guys, thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next lesson. Bye-bye.